Hello mga palangga, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, let's talk about the idiom broke. The word broke is an adjective which means you don't have or not having much money or not enough money. For example, sorry I cannot go on a vacation today. I'm broke. So which means you don't have much money to, or you don't have enough money to go on a vacation or trip. Another example, a lot of companies went broke after the recession. Okay? So the word broke, it doesn't mean the past form of the verb break. It is an expression, be broke, or to express of not having enough or don't have much money. Okay? So, what are you waiting for? Use the word broke in a sentence. Comment down below. Bye for now.